So now we'll take LED mounting and motor mounting to the base plate. These are gears for the speed reduction. There are two types of motor. Red blue motors are clockwise motor. Red blue motors anti-clockwise motor, and black and white clockwise motors. So when you connect the clockwise motor to the gear, so we'll get the anti-clockwise output at this gear. So this is the front side. This is the front side of the drone. This is X mounting. So we have the front side between these two arms. So this gear is supposed to rotate anti-clockwise. This is clockwise, this anti-clockwise, and this clockwise. So when we attach the clockwise motor to this gear, we will get the output as a anti-clockwise rotation. So these two motors will go like this: black white motors on these two arms, red blue motors on these two arms. And mounting of these LEDs are also as important as motors, so that it will let us know in which direction our drone is flying. LED, this is green LED, so back side green LED, and the front side red LEDs. Make sure LEDs are placed properly with this diffuser, so you get this smooth. So now we'll take the soldering part.